Okay, Bear Girls.
Before you get your sock out to start filtering foot water from a mountain stream, let's actually talk about adventure travel.
If you've been feeling the call of the wild, you're gonna want to keep watching this because we break it all down for you by experience.
Because we know destination is secondary so long as you're having a badass experience.
So these are the top 7 adventure travel activities and the best way to get your adrenaline pumping.
Honestly, if this doesn't inspire you to sign up for adventure travel, then nothing will.
And you should probably just get back under the covers and accept that you are not YOLOing to the fullest.
But if you're already organizing your gear, here are the most adventurous ways for you to travel this year. Because just like us, you're all about looking at the world through a new lens.
No matter your preferred glass, aperture, or subject, you get the picture.
There are more than enough adventure travel programs to make your heart shudder.
You can be like myself and trek across the Judean desert in Israel, and you'll be on a camel just snapping photos. It's a lot of fun, and I must admit, all the lighting in the desert is just beautiful.
Pack on your back and everything's just fine.
You knew backpacking was cool way before Reese Witherspoon got wild.
Your boots are all laced up and you've already made your infamous trail mix.
My trail mix just consists of M&Ms, but I mean, that's okay.
You can embark on a long through hike in the Swiss Alps, walk the Camino de Santiago, or just take a nice out and back day hike wherever and chase trails.
But don't go chasing waterfalls.
Okay, maybe a few waterfalls.
But remember what TLC said.
Happy trails.
Bouldering, sport climbing, on belay or off.
We're not just talking about the gym here.
You want it all. The chalked up hands and clothes.
The feeling of solving a problem and conquering a long pitch.
With so much choice rock climbing worldwide, the real question is, where will you go first?
Wherever you go, just don't forget crash pads.
Climb on!
Catch those gnarly morning waves and warm rays around the world.
I'm sure you can feel the mist of the ocean against your face already.
The planet is mostly water, so there's no wave you can't ride.
Let's suit up and get going. That pipeline ain't going to surf itself after all.
Grab your passport, a dry bag, and get on that board.
Surf is not your game, but life on land has you feeling like, well, a fish out of water.
All your favorite aquatic activities are here.
You can sail off into the sunset, hop into a kayak and see where it takes you,
or introduce yourself to some friendly sea critters when you scuba dive abroad.
There's nothing stopping you from hitting the high sea, especially once you've got your sea lace and the Moana soundtrack handy.
Oh, I love Moana. She's so cool.
Not every adventure has to be an adrenaline junkie.
You can search for calm, balance, and breath all around the world.
With yourself, you're thinking, you're calm, you're cool.
You don't want to Shavasana on the opportunity to take your yoga practice international for an adventure of a lifetime.
Nama, don't stay home.
Whether you're going cross-country on a road bike in France or popping wheelies down a mountainside in New Zealand, this isn't your SoulCycle class anymore.
Wherever your 2 wheels can take you is where you will go.
See how fast you can go in each country. Set a goal, or see how many miles you can do within a day or a week.
Get that heart rate pumping and feel the wind blowing through your hair.
But always remember your helmet though. Safety first, people.
If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. There are programs out there that can help you plan your adventure from start to finish.
They will be with you every heart-racing step of the way.
It's all about stepping outside of your comfort zone.
The key is to be prepared.
Be sure to pack your cam and plenty of memory cards. Adventure travel is going to blow your mind and be the experience of a lifetime.